Hey friend, welcome back. I just got back from a quick shopping trip where I found a super secret gem that I didn't even know was really available on the market yet. So I thought I would show you guys. Are you ready? You're gonna be so excited. Oh, it's so heavy. Do you know what it is? It is the amazing, beautiful home decor. I just get a kick out of that. Anyways, no, it's a global green. Yes. The Pothos Global Green. So it is so incredibly heavy because it is seriously waterlogged. So it's going to need some TLC and not any kind of watering for quite some time. But look how full that is. Can you see? There are new leaves like crazy. So I think what's happening inside of here, and I haven't looked yet to verify, but I think that this is just cuttings after cuttings after cuttings just shoved in soil. It looks kind of like a peat moss mixture, and it is just so heavy. So I'm thinking that that's what it is, but there are dozens of brand new leaf growths all over this guy. So I think that's what's happening. I can even see some cuttings being taken off right there. New leaves everywhere. Anyways, I thought we would just talk real fast about this beauty, and I would share my excitement with you guys because I don't think anyone in my house is going to be as excited. A lot of, I didn't even bring it over, but that's fine. I have like the Marble Queen, and where's my Pearls and Jade? Oh, that's in the bathroom too. I'll show you guys some pictures. But like the Mandula, right? This is a beautiful plant. One of the first ones I got. And the Mandula is a cross between the Pearls and Jade. No, the Mandula and the Pearls and Jade. Took me a second. This one really needs some water. But what's so exciting about this one? Like, what are you missing, right? There's a tiny bit of cream. There's a little bit of light variegation, but this marbling is like normal green on dark green, which I think is so fantastic. Also, just give me all the pothos, right? Because they're so easy to care for. You can put them virtually anywhere in your house that gets any kind of light, or if it has really great artificial light, that works too. That they're easy to care for. You don't have to worry so much about fertilizing. Really, watering doesn't even take a whole lot. So if you are brand new to plants and you don't know really where to start, go ahead. If you can get your hands on one of these, this is going to be a great one to find. But any kind of the Pothos variety, if you can snag a Mandula, if you can snag a Marble Queen or the Pearls and Jade, any of them are going to be so easy for you to take care of. They look beautiful in the house. This one will start trailing, which is why they have it on a hanger. One thing to note, this is patented by Costa Farms, so taking cuttings and selling them is prohibited. Run down, right? So let's just cover everything. Watering needs. You can water it thoroughly until it runs through the bottom, but then make sure it dries out a little bit between waterings or before you water it again. So I like to have about 1 inch of the topsoil dry before I water again. They can handle a little bit more, but you might get some, especially with the plants with the white variety variegation, you might get some browning on the leaves. As far as light requirements go, this guy can tolerate lower light fairly well, but if you want beautiful growth and really nice variegation, you're going to want to put it fairly close to a good light source. So right now, let's see, I have it sitting really close. It's the afternoon, so I don't have to worry about any direct sunlight, but it's about 1 foot away from an eastern window, so it's going to get a ton of indirect light. And in the mornings, I'll make sure that it's not getting any direct light. This will be an inside plant for me. Humidity-wise, you want to keep it above like a 50%, so pretty much anything in your home is going to be fine unless you live in a high desert area. Fertilizing, they don't really require a whole lot, but you can fertilize. If you have any organic fertilizer, that works really great, and you can do that about once a month if you need to during the growing season. Otherwise, I kind of neglect my plants and they don't get a whole lot of extra nutrients, and they all do pretty good, as you can see. So I think that covers it all. I just was really excited to share this with you guys. I picked it up at Walmart this morning, so nothing too fancy or exciting. I paid just under $15 for it, which I thought was a steal considering how much growth. It is just jam-packed in there. You can't even barely see the soil. That's the only soil you can see. So I thought it was a really good deal, and I love bringing home new plants and sharing them with you. So if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.